This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
So I was just looking at the latest from AgiBot, the company started by that genius youth ex-Huawei engineer, and they just dropped the G2. Honestly, this isn't just another tech demo. This is the moment where industrial robot stops meaning a giant yellow arm bolted to a floor and starts looking like a coworker. The first thing you notice isn't the sleek chassis, it's how it moves. Most robots struggle with a straight line, but the G2 has this four-wheel steer system that lets it crab walk sideways and spin in place. It's built for those tight, messy factory floors where humans usually have to squeeze through. And it doesn't just walk, it works in minus 15 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Celsius heat. Basically, if a human can stand there, the G2 can outwork them. But here's where it gets a little wild. Inside this thing is the NVIDIA Jetson Thor chip. We're talking over 2,000 TFLOPS of computing power. To put that in perspective, this robot isn't just following a script, it's perceiving the world in real time. It has dual-arm force control so precise, down to 0.5 newtons, that it can handle delicate electronics without snapping them, yet it's rugged enough for heavy manufacturing. And the safety? It's got a 360-degree surround view. If you walk behind it, it knows. If you get too close, the hybrid safety system kicks in instantly. It's designed to be around us 24/7. And I mean literally 24/7. It has hot-swappable batteries and finds its own charging station when it's low. It never actually has to clock out. What really blew me away, though, was the interaction. You can actually talk to it. It handles multi-speaker dialogue, so a team can give it instructions on the fly. Or, if a task is too complex, a human can jump into a one-to-one motion replication mode. You move, it moves. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's being deployed in factories right now. China is absolutely sprinting ahead in this space, and AgiBot just set a Guinness World Record for the longest journey walked by a humanoid. Seeing the G2 serve drinks at CES was cool, but seeing it take over the heavy lifting in global manufacturing? That's the real shift. The line between machine and teammate is officially gone. If you want to keep up with how these bots are actually changing our jobs and our lives, you need to stay tuned to AIX. Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Would you trust a G2 working right next to you?